Today, I'm talking to you about how to make money on Paws crypto airdrop as a beginner. Paws crypto airdrop is supported by Notcoin. So the team that hosted Notcoin is also involved in Paws. Within the last 1 week, Paws have overtaken Amsa Combat as the most subscribed Telegram project. Amstar Combat was number one in August, but as of today, Pulse is number one, showing that they have a lot to offer. For you to get started, go to the description section of this video and you're going to see my link to register. You click it from your phone and then you go to Telegram and then you start and then pronto you are in. The next thing you need to do when you log in, you are going to be welcome with some amount of Pulse coin, which is what you're going to start with. After that, if you are going to earn to the right hand side on the base of the north of the Pause app on your Telegram, you're going to see earn. You go to earn. At the top, you have the limited task. You have the in-game task, and then you have the partners. If you go to the partner, what this wants you to do is to go to join two market channel. When you join two market and click it, you're going to get 500 pause. When you join X Empire channel, you're going to get 500 pause. When you join Cards channel, you're going to get 500 pause. When you join Blom channel, you're going to get 500 pause. Then after that, see on the end aspect, come to in-game. In the in-game, you are asked to say one falls, one rises. What this means is that Amsa Combat fell while this pause rose at this time. So for clicking that and following the instructions therein, you get 250 pause. Then you need to put in your name on your Telegram. That you're going to get 500 pause. And when you do that, you're going to come back and click that it is done. Then you have to boost pause channel. It is optional. You're going to get 2,500 pause for doing that. And you must have premium before you can do that. Now, Telegram premium. Now, you need to follow the channel, the pause channel. If you do that on Telegram, you're going to get 1,000 pause. If you're able to invite 10 friends, you're going to get 5,000 pulse. And you need to connect your wallet. For connecting your wallet, whether Tom wallet or any other wallet that is acceptable, you are going to get 3,000 pulse. Now, if you come to this other side, after looking at on the end also, we have the partners which we have looked at, we have the in-game. Then the third thing on the end is limited. That is a task that are limited. The task is saying if you vote for a winner, either you vote when you vote for a winner and the person wins, you get 10,000 pulse. If you vote and the person loses, you still get 10,000 pulse. Then there's a mystery quest for which you are going to get 50,000 pulse. So all this you have to do and be able to earn some amount of money. So in the voting, you have the option to vote for Tomarket, X Empire, or CAT. You can only vote for one of those three. So whether they lose or not, you are going to get your pause. Pause has indicated that voting gives you pause automatically, but whether they are going to reward you more during the allocation or not depends on pause to decide. Now, apart from the go vote, you have other options that are therein. Vote for a winner, vote for a loser, and then mystery quest. After you've done the voting, others are going to open. Now, after that, we come to the second to the last on the right, which is the friends list. So this is going to show you the list of the friends that you have invited to pause. So you invite friends, share your invitation link, and get 10% of your friends' points. So the first friend I have here is Adeolu Ashino. I shared this online and he joined. The next person is Gan Transport. He also joined, and they have I have received 152 polls from the first, and then 597 polls from the second individual. So if you want to invite anyone, you click on invite, and when you click on invite, it's going to you have the option either to copy the link or to send message to them on Telegram. I will advise you to click on invite, copy the link, and then go to WhatsApp and send the link to them. that is easier for them to click and join without fail. Now, there's a next one which is here, which is in the middle. In the middle, you have your vote. So in the middle, you can vote for either of three um, apps, that is True Market, Exempire cards. So the first vote in Paws. The community of the winning project will be rewarded in Paws points. So when you win, you'll be rewarded. When you lose, the reward may be determined also. Now, to my left hand side on the base of the Pause app is the leaderboard. The leaderboard is showing the people that are taking part in board and the top 100. Now, this account that I'm using is showing that this optimistic Benguse is out of 33 million users of Pause. This optimistic Benguse account that I'm using is 11.8 million. That is the position. Now, I need to talk about this that leaderboard can help you to prepare yourself to know what you are going to earn. Now, there are 33 million users of Pause, and this automatic Bingusi account has 14,000 Pause and is 11.8 million or 12 million that a user. That means this individual is about the one third of users of Pause. Now, if token is going to be given, how much token do you think this individual will get? Because this individual is not part of the first 100, not even part of the first 1,000, not even part of the first 1 million of people that are using port. This individual is 11 or even 12 million. So that's why some people say that they get dust because they are not fully involved, so they are going to get little change. But those who are making it from this, they make it because they are fully in it and they target being among the first 1 million that they have. Now, the leader in this pulse has 76 million pulse, and this automatic Benguse has 14,000 pulse. So, what it means is that you need to up your game to be among these top users. Now, the number 100 individual on pulse have 5.3 million. So, up your game on pulse to even get to 1 million. It will take you to buy and to pay for premium and other things. Go ahead and do it so that you can be able to get it. Now, on the main page of Pause, which is the home page, you have the chance to join the community. When you join the Pause community, you are going to get some change, some Pause also. Now, when you check you can check your rewards, and then at the upper part, you can be able to link your wallet. So you link your Tom wallet or whatever other wallets that they allow to be used. So you link it to it, and then you get set. So some of the rewards this individual has gotten are listed in the check your reward sections. So you take it one after the other and you follow through. The important part is that make sure you are among the top 1 million users. You have 33 million users on pause. If you cannot be among the top 1 million users, be among the top 2 million users. But being about 10 million 10 million user out of 33 million is not acceptable because it's going to affect whatever you are going to be given. So this is how any beginner can get started on pause and then you can be able to make money. So every day you log in and then you see any task available and then you do them. The tasks that involve payment, if you have the money, go ahead and do them. And if you don't have the money to do it, you leave it out. Dr. Olubenga is my name, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. I'm going to come your way again with more content on Pause, but for now, this is how you can get started and prepare to make real money on Pause. I will see you in the next one. This video popping up by the side is the next you need to watch now for my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye, and make sure you are in the first top 1 million. Bye.